Hello friends, today I am going to show you something very interesting, something that I have enjoyed in my childhood days a lot. This is Tuk Tuk steamer. Generally I have seen this in Varanasi. So in my childhood days I used to live there. So I got two of these from Amazon. I will put the link below in the description of the video. I think I got it for around 159 rupees for both these, and this is something very interesting. My kids are very happy, so let me just show you the demonstration of this, how this operates, and I will also explain the basic physics behind this, how this actually works, and then maybe you can give it to your kids. That will be a fun thing. So first thing you have to do, let me show you how this works. So this is very simple mechanism. This is the hull, and this is just a covering, nothing else. You can remove it like this. So you see that this is a pipe that has gone like this in this platform that had some hollow volume inside, and then another pipe comes out. So what we do, we fill water in one of these, and then we keep on filling water till the water comes out from here. Once that is done, you put some heating thing here like this. Generally people put some oil and a wick. What I have done, I have put some wax and a wick. So then when the candle will heat it, it will generate some steam. The hot water will be pressed through here, and then when the hot water comes out from here, there will be some low pressure here, so cold water will go in from here. So this will be a cycle that is going on here, and your boat will start moving. So let me show you how this works. So let me fix this again. This is very simple mechanism. So what you have to do is fill water. So let me show you how to fill the water. All you have to do is fill one of these. They have given a small dropper also with this, but then I am fine doing this. I have done this in my childhood days a lot. So now this is done. The next step is, so we light this now, and once this is burning, I will just take it like this and keep it here. Now you put it inside it here like this, and see the magic, it started. Parth, come out. See the, hi, this is Parth. He is generally the cameraman behind all my videos when I shoot video for cycle. I was trying to buy a GoPro 9 also, but Amazon played some tricks with me, so that story in next video. So see how good this is working. So you can see it. This is interesting. The sound is interesting, as like a actual steamer that I have seen flying in Ganges during the rainy seasons. So this is a good toy, I guess. So generally I don't endorse these things, but then today I thought, okay, I should show this thing to everyone, because many people who have not visited Varanasi or North India, they might even not know about this. So see, they are enjoying it. So thank you and bye.